friends, today we bring a new product to our channel, Royala water-based ceramic tile sealer. It is a new construction material for gap filling. Produced by super eco-friendly water-based formula, and each one strictly tested by SGS European environmental standards. So Royala is becoming the superior choice for health-conscious families. In terms of performance, Royala ceramic tile sealer has a strong adhesion, which can be used not only for tires but also for toilets and sinks. It is high temperature resistant and weatherproof, so suitable for balcony and other places where there is direct sunlight. 10 years as new as beginning. Let me show you how easy this to be installed. And trust me, if I can do it, anybody can. Here is the basic rules required. See? The oil, the blade scraper, coating gun, grazing tools, and of course our Royala ceramic tile sealer and the nozzle itself. Now already, let's get started. First, clean the tile gap with the oil. Second, with caulking gun, first hold the back of handle, push forward front black wrench, then pull backward the piston. Third, twist off the cover of the bottle, loading the sealer into the caulking gun. Fourth, put the nozzle on the bottle after the two components mix well. Fifth, cut the nozzle according to the gap set at 90 degrees angle. Sixth, squeeze about 30 cm from the nozzle and discard. Seventh, squeeze the sealer into the tile gap. Eighth, use a tool press sealer into the tile gap. Ninth, remove the excess sealer after 16 hours. I'm about to show you how easily removable the excess sealer in comparison to the traditional grout. Not only is super easy, it's super satisfying. Join us, you will bring the health to every family. What are you caring the most when choosing a high-quality grout? Waterproof, anti-mildew, or more colors? Easily. Let me know by leaving us a quick comment right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye!